finish it first without burping. I think this is gonna be painful. I'm actually nervous. Because I already have to burp.
I like how it's going down.
That's why you do it fast.
It does, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't like it.
I don't want to.
I'm getting a brain freeze. My stomach's starting to hurt. It's the goal.
It actually hurts.
Physically painful.
Do not try this at home.
I don't know if I can do much more. It feels like I can't breathe.